Alright traders, hello, welcome back and happy Tuesday. So, alright, I'll close that down. I've taken a sell trade here. This I've taken on the OANDA account as well as the MEX account. The MEX account here, it's a really small live account that I'm using for the prop trading trial with Lupus in Melbourne. So I shorted. I actually took a couple of positions out. So the main reason why I did that was because the risk was a little too small in the first trade, and so I added a little bit more. So it's like 1%. It's not a lot, to be honest. So we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to enter this again, but that's how that's looking. So I just wanted to sort of shrink. I mean, my thesis really. So I mean, it was an hourly entry. It was sort of on this candle here, and this was moving down. I was like, you know what, we'll take it. So now it's sort of looking on the 4 hour. You know what, how it closes on the daily is going to be quite telling. So this will close at 6 a.m. Tomorrow morning. So we'll see. But if you look at it on the daily, it's at a level where it could easily bounce as well. So I took 2% on this on the OANDA account as well. Same stop loss at 71.65. So we'll see what I want to do. Euro CAD I was talking about as well. It's the first time I sort of properly looked at the charts. I worked today, so it's like 11 to 7 at work, so it's not ideal. I actually took these trades as well whilst at work. I was driving to work to the airport, so I took them. I took them whilst driving. So, yeah, I wouldn't recommend that though. So, said in the video, but you know, always if you are in a position where you're a little busy but you're free enough to take the trade with less risk than you think. So that's why I did this. This was way too little risk, so I was like, you know, I'm going to revise that because it's a pretty tight stop. It's only like 40 pips, so it's actually quite a small stop loss for my system. USD yen. It's this. We'll see. We'll see tonight what happens. And Aussie yen is sort of steady. All right, so we'll go back to the Aussie dollar. USD CAD. Find it. This is another one, and USD Swiss actually. We'll go to the Swiss first. Is that still strong? Oh my goodness. And I might take a trade on this actually. This is. I think I will. Let's have a look at this. What does the 55 moving average look like? Phone's blowing up. Cause so simple I keep it, man. No, 55. 55. See, that's a little too low though. I'm gonna stop because it's an interesting level. USD strength is still sort of there on this pair. USD CAD. That candle right there is really nice though. When I say that candle's really nice, this is from my back testing. So I've seen this where a candle occurs like that and it just continues. So USD CAD as well, that's sort of looking like it's strengthening. Yeah, it is. I just like to run with a black and white, that's my preference. 55 moving average, what's it doing? Indicators. It's not quite. I mean, alternatively, the stop would just be below this. It'd be just down here. So I might hang around a little bit. I mean, that's how the 4 hour candle closed at 10, just before, about 15 minutes ago. I like the USD Swiss a little bit better, to be fair, and how that 4 hour 4-hour candle closed. The 55 is a little too, like, if we're erring here, oh, it's not too bad. But the hourly, where's it on the hourly? Oh, the time will stop, wouldn't it? Might just see how this hourly candle closes and just gauge it from there. Alright, I'm going to end the video, guys. USD Swiss, trend continuation on the cards potentially. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great night or day, and I'll see you tomorrow.